Hello to everyone out there. This is my Proform 15-pound purse kettlebell. Like I said, it is 15 pounds. I have had it for about a year and a half. I got it because I was just trying to add more things that are also good to store and that aren't too big to have in my home gym for when I can't get to the actual gym, because I'm sure that getting to the gym is the actual hardest part. So I wanted to have some things that are actually at home where I could still work out and do some type of weight training. And since I am a woman and I really don't need a whole lot of weight, I got the 15 pounds. I really like to use them for squats and of course upper body exercises, but I mainly got it for when I'm doing squats and lower body. So I have the one that is blue and black, is rubber coated, and it's also dipped. The shell is an item called neoprene. So neoprene. So it's a neoprene dipped shell that is good for durability. Like I said, I have had it for well over a year, and there's really not that much wear and tear to it at all. Just like some really light scruffs that really you can barely pick out. Like you can probably see that one there and that one, but it still looks really great and very easy to clean. You can just get a moist towel or even just a dry towel and wipe off any dust. Very easy. I really like this. And it's not, you can see a little bit of scratches there too. But I know I'm going to have this for many, many, many years to come just because of how durable it is. Now it also has an easy grip handle, like allowing you to perform different movements and exercises without worrying about this slipping out of your hand. In case your hands do get sweaty or something, you don't have to worry about that. So I really do like that. It's filled with sand, cement, and water to then become 15 pounds. And it has an off-balance design, which is supposed to help engage more muscles in order for you to achieve faster results in your workout. So yay for that. When you purchase it, either in the store or online, it's going to come as is. As you can see here, there was, a tag at the top, but I have yet to cut off this little plastic part. I mean, hey, it's not bothering me. I'm not going to bother it. Comes as is, and you are ready to work out pretty much, and you pretty much just use it by holding and lifting in whichever workout that you want to have. And yeah, you can buy another one as well if you wanted to have one for each hand. And what I really do like about this is that it very easily can just slide up against my wall, or if I wanted to lay it flat, I could, and just push it under the bed or just shove it into the closet. So it's very easy storage and a very, very effective weight. I absolutely love it. I like the kettlebell period, just because that of the size and that you can store it easy and get a really, really good workout. It burns a lot of calories per minute, about like 20 calories a minute. So you work out 20 minutes, you're burning up to 400 calories. Very, very good. And I looked it up, and it said that is also that burning that 400 calories is also equivalent to a 6-minute mile pace run. So hey for that. You can do all of that right in your own home with one of these purse kettlebells, and a regular kettlebell too, but I like this because it said purse, so I wanted to try this one. I know, I'm a girl. And a fun fact that I learned is that the kettlebell was actually developed by Russian strongmen in the early 1700s. So I did not know that the kettlebell had actually been around for that long. That is a really long time. Proform, the company, was founded in 1987, and they have a really cool wide range of different exercise equipment, from the dumbbells and the kettlebells all the way up to the treadmills and ellipticals and exercise bikes. So really cool company. They own hundreds of patents. It's a very, very highly recognized brand. So pretty impressive with Proform, and everything is very durable and lasts for a very long time. So everything is made of really good quality, which is awesome. I've not had to replace this in any way. I haven't had to fix anything, patch up anything. It's just been working out fine for me for about a year and a half. Very easy to use, definitely will make you stronger in a short amount of time, granted that you stay up on your workouts. And I would say that it does make my life a lot easier because I can get my weight training in the comfort of my own home instead of having to worry about running out to the gym. However, this is definitely not a product that you want to travel with at all. While it does transport easily, going, like if you're moving or something, this isn't something that I would suggest, hey, if you want to work out, bring this. It's just way too heavy, especially if you're trying to fly. Just way too heavy. But it is not fragile in any way, shape, or form. It is very durable. Because sometimes when you're working out, you might drop it down on the floor a bit harder than what you had meant to. And then it's also very smooth all around. So when you are working out, you don't have to worry about perhaps snagging something against your skin and cutting yourself as long as you take this off. Yep, so that is my Proform Purse Kettlebell. Thanks for tuning in.